I'm Trista.
I'm Lucas.
I'm Chris.
I'm Brian.
I'm Rich.
I'm Nick.
I'm Dave.
After the tremendous response we received following last year's initial Christmas video, we knew we had no choice but to come up with something equally spectacular for this year.
And what a year it's been. It's been a little bit of a tough year, but it's getting better now, and we thought, let's put some happiness and joy into the season, so what's better than Chemspec Rocks?
Jingle bell, Chemspec rocks. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Buying and selling is what we do best. Better than all the rest. Jingle bell, Chemspec rocks. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Hearing and meeting your every need. In the industry, what a bright time. It's the right time to buy our chemicals. Jingle bell time is a swell time to consider a process aid. Volcofact waxes, plasticizers, all for your rubber needs. Mix and mingle in the jingling feet. It's the service here, it's the people here. That's why Chemspec rocks.
On behalf of the Chemspec family, we have a lot to be thankful for. It's been a tough year, but we worked through it, and we want to extend a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday to all of our very good customers and suppliers, and God bless each and every one of you.
Merry Christmas!
We just get